This is based on the classic MACD strategy, where all it uses is an EMA with the MACD. So if we zoom in, you can see the basic strategy being used here. Whenever there is a cross up on the MACD that happens below the zero line of the histogram, that is a long as price is above the EMA. And if we look to a short, we can see whenever there is a cross down on the MACD that happens above the zero line, we get a short position as long as it occurs below the EMA. So let's check out the settings. If we double click on this, up at the top, we will first see the MACD settings. So we have the fast length, slow length, signal length. We can change those. I'm just keeping it at default at the moment. And then one of the interesting things here is what you can change about the way that it takes entries. So for the first setting, you can have it with the traditional way where it's only taking a long when there's a cross up from below the zero line and only a short when there's a cross down from above the zero line. But then you can also tell it to only take longs when it crosses up while above the zero line and only take shorts when it crosses down while below the zero line. So kind of a different unconventional way of doing it. So we have both the traditional